Today I'm making a really flavorful but one of the easiest chicken recipes that I call Simply Chicken. In this recipe of mine, the chicken is marinated with all the ingredients and everything gets cooked together. So whether you're a beginner cook or you're trying to cook a chicken dish really quickly and easily but want to have a mouth-watering flavor, then this is your go-to recipe. So please do try to make it this way and let me know how it works out for you. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. So if you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. First, we are going to make onion, tomato and ginger garlic paste. So for that, here I have one medium onion, 150 grams that I've roughly chopped. So I'm adding that to a blender. Also add 2 medium tomatoes, 240 grams roughly chopped. 1.5 inches of ginger, again roughly chopped. And 5 to 6 garlic cloves. I will also add about 3 green chilies. Again, this is optional based on your spice level. Now we will go ahead and blend this into a smooth paste. So I've blended all the ingredients into a smooth paste. Next, what I will be doing is I have taken a container with a strainer and now I will drain the extra water which is there in the paste out of it. So our marination for the chicken is really dry. So go ahead and drain out the extra water. As you can see, I have drained out the excess water. Now we will set this paste aside and use it to marinate our chicken. Now we are going to marinate the chicken with a few ingredients. Here I have 1 kg of chicken. To that, I'm going to add the onion, tomato and ginger garlic paste that we just made. So add that. And then a few powdered spices, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. And we will also add some salt as per taste. And now mix the chicken well with all of these ingredients and we will set this aside for 1 to 2 hours. Now we will start making our gravy. So for that we need 5 tablespoons of oil, all our whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 2 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 6 cloves, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 6 green cardamoms and 1 large onion sliced. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the whole spices. The oil is now hot, so I will add the whole spices, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, the cloves, peppercorns and the green cardamoms, and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till we get a nice aroma from the whole spices. I'm getting a really nice aroma from the whole spices. Now I will add the sliced onions and we will fry the onions till they caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized, so now I will add the marinated chicken. So go ahead and add all of that. I have added all of the chicken. Now I will also add some coriander leaves, a whole bunch of that, and also add some more salt as per taste. So we added some salt when we marinated the chicken too, so just be mindful of that. And now I will mix all of this well together and we will continue to cook this till the chicken becomes completely tender. You don't need to add any extra water to the chicken because the chicken will give out water and will get cooked in that. However, if you want some more gravy, then you can always add a little bit of water. So go ahead and cook this till the chicken becomes completely tender. Our chicken is now completely tender and our Simply Chicken is ready to serve. As you can see, this is a really easy and tasty chicken recipe. So please do try to make it this way and let me know how it works out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.